Okay, welcome to this channel. My name is Adam Silva. I have a video on mushroom that you can watch. That's how I started. And so many people have been disturbing me in comment section saying it's not actually disturbing, Sha. Sorry for that, using disturbing. They have been asking me to do more videos on mushroom, and I think I am ready to do that. So this is just an introduction part of it, you get. So in this video I'm going to tell you things you need to prepare yourself for this great farming. Mushroom now is a hot cake. Everyone wants to have alternative or what they eat or they use in their food. Now everybody wants to make millions from this industry. So now in this particular month I'm going to be teaching out some videos about how you can grow mushroom, how you can water it, things you need, how you can get your spawn, how you can produce your own spawn. I will be teaching all that. Now in this video, let me concentrate on this video. In this video, I'm going to tell you now. Let me tell you, you need a room, a space. Let me put it a space. You need a space. You need nylon bags, transparent nylon bags. You need rubber band. You need rope that you'll be tying your bags. Then once you've gotten a space, I will demonstrate how you're going to hang all these bags, how you're going to use the sawdust, to achieve all these things. Sawdust is the major thing. Sawdust and the spawn. But it's not just sawdust and spawn, but you need to arrange it, you need to sterilize it. Mushroom doesn't grow in dirty environments. If you are producing it yourself, you need a clean environment to do all these practices. So you need a space, you need nylon bags, you need rubber band, you need rope. Then watering, it doesn't take much water. Marketing it is not a problem. Once you are out there in the market, you must see people that will buy your mushroom. So stick around. This is just an introduction for me to tell you that I have started this class, and this class is going to last throughout this month. I'll be teaching out videos on mushroom farming. If you are interested, please, you can subscribe so that you will not miss even one video out of the videos I'm going to dish out. Please subscribe, like this video so that YouTube algorithm can share it to others so that they can also benefit from this awesome class that is going to come up this month. Please subscribe and see you tomorrow for the first class. Okay, bye bye.